Hey bees, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? So today you guys already know. Today we are here for the Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of February 2021. And I wanted to let you guys know there's gonna be a giveaway for Boxycharm because I got charged double for both premium and base. So if I receive duplicate products in both box, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So you guys should hit the subscribe button so you can be entered in the giveaway, because the rules are you have to be subscribed to my channel, like the video, comment anything down below, anything in the video I'm gonna post, and then you'll be entered. That's all you gotta do to be entered. But anyway, let's get into the base box unboxing. I haven't received it yet. I'm still waiting for it. And you know, once it's pink, snickety pink, it's the base. That's it. You guys don't get any more pink, like just Anne would say. And the theme for this month is Boxy XOXO, Valentine's Day theme, you know, the whole shebang. What is this? A Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Okay, it's their brushes. I was like, what is this? I don't want this. I don't want it. What is it? But this is what it looks like, the packaging, and it retails for $29.95. I hate when this happens. This is why I try not to look. But I have wandering eyes. I wondered. And I saw something. I hate product from this brand. Like, when I say I hate product from this brand, when I received them, I never used them. So I'm like, But anyway, these are eye brush sets. No biggie. They're just brushes. I don't know. I haven't watched any spoilers or any video unboxing because I've been so busy with school that I don't know what's gonna be in the box. But I guess this is why it's so expensive, because it gives you like an effect. You see the glitter going down, y'all. Y'all see it? That's what you get, I guess. I don't get it, but these brushes doesn't feel quality to me for it to be worth how much? $29.95, $30 for 4 brushes that all it does is this, and then doesn't look that good. The quality doesn't look that great. I don't know. These are going to Haiti. They don't look like brushes I like, so they're going to Haiti, or a giveaway for you guys. I don't know, whichever one comes first, or I feel like. And then we have this Saint Lux limited edition liner duo. And it retails for $40. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides into lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. I mean, you can tell by my melanated skin that my lips are full, juicy. I don't need to overline. She was blessed that way. Y'all should hit the subscribe button to see more of my craziness. They probably shade I can't even use too, because Boxycharm is known for that. I'm eating my words. They look good. If it's like I'm guessing like this, it's not work for me. This one, yeah, they're gonna work. Ooh, they're gonna work. A nice chocolatey pencil for a nude lip. Okay. Okay, I don't need to overline, but these liners, these colors are perfect. If you guys can see them. The chocolate one, I'm pretty sure you guys can't see because well, it blends right into my skin. You guys can't see the chocolate one. Oh my god. You just see this one. But chocolate girls, chocolate darlings. I'm a chocolate darling, so what can I say? It ain't gonna show. Once you give a chocolate girl chocolate, it blends right in. It blends right in. I'm excited for these. I have chocolate lip crayon, but I'm always excited to get more. Okay? Always excited to get more. And then we have this Tula Skincare Soap Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Got pores? Get this. Created with a powerhouse ingredient like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. My pores are huge. It may not show on camera, but my pores are huge. They are huge. So I'm gonna love this, and this is what that looks like. I don't know if I want to open this right now because I have an exfoliator I just opened. It's the Dr. Brent exfoliator. I just opened it yesterday, so it's best if I don't open this one. So this one is staying right there, but I'm happy to have received that. The only thing I wasn't so happy for, to be honest with you guys, was that brush set. That brush set was just like, what? Yeah. But anyway. Oh God. This is the person I was talking about that I received and I did not want. I think I sent this back to New York. I don't know what my mom did with it. It's so gimmicky. I don't know what she did with it. But it's that dumbass product from Tristique. Tristique never create anything I like. Like, never create anything for me to like ever. This is the Tristique I Do a Good Vibe mascara and eye pencil. I hated it last time I received it from Ipsy, and now it's in Boxycharm. See, this is the problem when they're under one umbrella. And it retails for $44. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna leave this to the side. It might end in a giveaway because I had sent my mom the other one. I don't know if she sent it to Haiti or if she kept it. I doubt she kept it. I'm being completely honest. I doubt that she kept it, so she's probably gonna send it to Haiti. So this one is gonna go in a giveaway for you guys. I am not gonna open it because I hate Tristique. Like, I hate them too. Like, I hate them. I don't like anything they make. I haven't found out one thing these people make that I like. So, yeah. I don't like them. I don't. So, let's go. This is... Ooh. This is Brow Bar by Rima. This is the... my Haitian accent just came out hard. This is the... I'm gonna let the Haitian accent come through. Alright, let's have some fun with it. The Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. This, I can't read like that. Let's be real. I can't read it like that. I'm gonna read it normally. I'm silly, y'all. This the Bombshell Brow Kit is the most luxurious brow kit ever made. The golden goddess of all brow kit. Ooh, this chic, sleek, compact includes tweezers, brow pencil, two-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. It retails for $40. I don't think it's gonna work for my chocolate skin. Yo, this oil I just applied, y'all, is giving me vibes. If you haven't seen the video from that unboxing, check it out. It's the February Premium Boxycharm. I can't open this thing. Alright? I can't open it. You put this, all of that they were saying in this little box, but packaging, very sleek, very pretty. And she sees her reflection. She sees her reflection on it. And she look cute. I don't know how to open this. Oh, there we go. Everything came flying out. Look. Okay. Oh, why is it so dirty? The mirror is mad dirty and scratched. Why is it so dirty? I wish I could show y'all the mirror. I'm gonna try to show y'all the mirror. Can y'all see it? You see the dirt? Y'all see the dirt, right? Y'all see the dirt? It's dirty. But we got a mirror though. And she looked cute. So that's all that matters, is her looking cute. The shades will definitely work for me. I have to say that. I'm excited for the tweezer. I want to see what it got for me, because that's very important. But it looks promising, y'all. This kit looked promising. Let's see the tweezer. There's nowhere to tweeze on my brow. I barely have any brow. What am I tweezing? Tweezer is not sharp. Let's just say that. The tweezer is not sharp. I can barely tweeze my brows. Tweezer is not that great. But yeah, y'all, this thing is filled with paw print, dirt, and everything. But that is it for the unboxing. As you can see, fingerprint, not fingerprint friendly. But that is it for the unboxing. I have filmed 3 videos sitting right here, y'all. So y'all gonna be getting lots of videos this week. I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna see what happened. But that is it, you guys. I think that's it. I love you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. You guys have fun, enjoy. And I don't know if I had wished y'all happy Valentine's Day, even though it's way past Valentine's Day. To be honest with you guys, I didn't even remember Valentine's Day. Like, at all. Like, on Valentine's Day, I was busy studying. Because I have exams every week I need to get through. So it's like, Vala, who? I don't know her. But that is it, you guys. I love you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye, my loves.